Hello and welcome to the Cracking Cryptocurrency Discord server. I'm CryptoJack and I'm going to take you through an overview of our Discord community. By joining our premium trading group, your Discord account will have access to all of the premium channels and features our server has to offer. First, we will start with an overview of our most relevant channels in our Discord server, then I'll teach you about our trade delivery system, and finally I'll also cover some useful tips and tricks to using Discord. We have a lot of active channels in our Discord, so I'm going to go over them relatively quickly here, and I may skip some that are more self-explanatory. These sub-channels under the important heading are just that. These two announcement channels keep you up to date with all the latest developments at Cracking Cryptocurrency, and it's where you can go to learn about all the new additions to our resources and materials, as well as any new media published by us. Whether it's an update to an indicator, a new module becoming available, or maybe an upcoming community event, you can learn about it here first, with the Premium Announcements channel usually featuring updates more relevant to our premium members. The suggestion box is a good place to leave your feedback or suggestions for our staff to review and use to improve our offerings to our valued members. Links. This is good to scroll through. Lots of the most useful links to Cracking Crypto resources and other useful sites are in here. In the Analysis and Signals subsection, you will find the latest trades posted by not only Justin, but our other top analysts as well. Each trader also features a market analysis channel where you can learn about the analyst's thoughts and sentiments on current market conditions. If you want a deeper insight into the strategy and thinking behind the signals posted by each trader, their analysis channel will be a great read. Now I'll take a moment to cover our trade delivery system. As soon as our traders update their trade journal, it gets posted as a signal to their trades channel. Let's review the type of notifications you'll find here and break down what each one contains. A new position signal marks the opening of a new trade. Ticker, the crypto asset being traded, the base and the quote pair. Exchange, is the exchange that trade is being taken on. Direction, is either going long or short. Long is to take the price up, or short intends to take the price down. Risk. It's to be used with the position size calculations. This represents how much of your account will be lost if the stop loss gets hit. Percentage of equity. If this is displayed, it represents how much of one's total capital is invested in the trade. Entry price represents what price the trade is being entered at, and will also note if the trade was opened using a market order or a limit order. TP1, TP2, and TP3. These stand for take profit, and these are the price targets that this trade aims to hit and take profit at. The percentage indicates how much profit to be taken at given price levels. 50% means you will close half of your position out in profit when the price hits this target. Hitting TP2 in this example will mean closing out an additional 30% of your original position, and by TP3, 20% will have you closing out the remainder of your position. Stop loss is the price point where stop loss for the trade will be set. It will be specified as either a hard stop, which would be a stop market order, or a soft stop loss, which does not set a specified hard stop order. Instead, an invalidation price for the trade is referenced. The analysis includes specific notes about the trade, such as the rationale or strategy behind the signal. Some trades will also include a chart, plotting the data relevant to this particular trade. The next type of notification will be a position update or edit trade notification. If an open trade has its variables adjusted, a position update will be posted reflecting these changes. This may include an adjustment to an existing stop loss, or to reflect when multiple entries are filled, or when take profit targets have been hit. Finally, we have the closed position notification, which signals the conclusion of a trade. Detailed here are the following. The mean exit price, which is the average exit price for the trade based off of where the profit was taken. Result is the ROI or the return on investment of the trade, how much was made or lost based on the original position size. Also detailed are the trade's take profits, entries, and stop loss, and they will be marked to reflect whether they were filled or unfilled. The analysis here on trade close includes closing thoughts, usually explaining the conditions under which the trade was closed. In the Community subsection, you will find our Members Lounge as well as the General Chat Room. The Members Lounge is where most of our premium members gather to chat every day. As a new member, this is where you'll find the most engagement from the premium community. While this is a room for general discussion, our members are so passionate about crypto, trading is all we really talk about in here. Now, just as a reminder, many of our members will be trading their own style or strategy, PTP or otherwise. Any trades being discussed here may not fit into what's currently being signaled by Justin or your own strategy, so don't let all the chatter in the members lounge overload how you're trading. Below that, we have the Premium Analysis and Technical Analysis channels. These are open to our premium and regular members respectively in order to share with fellow traders their own TA and strategy. Use this space to share your knowledge, show off your trading skills, or even practice LARPing like a lead analyst. Now, the following channels below are common to our non-premium members, so there might be some overlap or less relevance to you as a premium member. I won't be going over every channel here, but I encourage you to go through the channel list yourself later and get familiar with all the different rooms. Tips and tricks for using Discord. Notifications and alerts are a big thing with Discord, and you should consider tailoring the settings to your style. Discord is available on your smartphone, so customizing notifications from our Discord server might be a good idea. By going to the user settings and then the notifications tab, you can customize the more general Discord notification settings. By right-clicking our server icon on the left side, you can also go to the server notification settings and toggle the master settings for notifications right here. Then finally, you can also tailor the notification settings to each channel. In fact, I'll show you one common example in order to mute all but the trade signals channels. This way, if you enable push notifications on your phone, you'll only be notified when Justin or another analyst posts to their respective signals channel. I'm going to right-click every channel, and under Notifications, I choose Nothing. Then, in the following signals channels, I will be choosing All Messages. This way, when I receive push notifications on my phone, it's only when signals get posted. You can, of course, unmute preferred channels if you still want to receive notifications from them. Now let's talk about user mentions. You may use the @ sign followed by the username to tag people in the message. This usually sends a push notification to the person to get their attention. It's useful if you want to reply to someone, or to get the attention of a moderator perhaps. I'll also point out the Nitro Server Boost. If you're a Discord Nitro subscriber, you can boost our server to unlock more features. You may read more about it here. Server spam. Occasionally, bots and bad actors attempt to infiltrate our server. If you see any suspicious posts in any of the channels, bring it to the attention of a moderator tagging @moderator. The other spam to look out for is in private message. Users will join our server just to spam our members, so if you happen to get an unsolicited message, please bring it to our attention. Post a screenshot or details here in the report spam channel. Your assistance in helping us fight spam is highly appreciated. On the right, we have the members list. You can familiarize yourself with our staff here, and you can toggle it right here. You can also quick review all recent mentions or notifications by clicking here. Alright, that about covers the basics of Discord. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm CryptoJack. Feel free to message me on Discord if you have any other questions. Good luck and trade safe.